Now, there are people who work very, very hard and they are still broke. However, there are people who don't even work as hard, but somehow they are more successful than people who do all the hard work. What is the difference between these two sets of people? Now, after spending over a decade building businesses, studying successful people, and watching people win and lose, I've realized something. Success is not random. It doesn't happen randomly. It follows certain principles. And what I want to attempt to do in this video is to share 7 principles that if you actually apply them, can completely change the trajectory of your life. But first, in case you're just meeting, my name is Joseph Don. I've been on the internet for over a decade now. I've generated over $1.5 million online, and today I help people make money on the internet and build profitable education businesses. So if you're interested in business, wealth creation, and creating more freedom for yourself, then you're in the right place. Consider subscribing. Hit that button right now. All right, let's get into it. Number 1, successful people set goals and constantly evaluate them. So if you don't know what you're doing, if you don't know where you're going, you will end up anywhere. Goals give your life direction. Goals will keep you focused. Goals help you measure whether you're making progress or you're just simply moving. Without goals, you spend your life reacting to whatever happens instead of intentionally creating the life that you want. Now, when I say set goals, I don't mean setting goals that sound nice, but they don't have any connection to reality. That's not what I'm talking about. If you have never made $1 million, for example, before, it does not make sense to suddenly make your goal 100 million naira. Success happens in stages. So aim for your first million first, then the next and the next. You want to just keep building. Your goals should be simple, they should be measurable, they should be realistic, and then they should have deadlines as well. But this is the very, very important part. Please and please learn to review the goals. It's not okay to just write a goal and then you don't go back to check it again. Review it regularly. Okay, successful people, they don't just write the goals once in January and then they forget about them. No, they constantly evaluate, adjust, and then they review it and keep moving forward. Number 2, successful people make a plan for what they do with money. Now, one of the fastest ways to stay broke is to spend money the moment it enters your account. It's not just about how much you make at the end of the day. It's about how much you get to keep. Every dollar, every naira, every Rwandan franc, Kenyan shillings, and all that enters your account should already have an assignment. So learn about savings, learn about investing, learn about multiplying your money. These are the things that schools will never teach you. So you have to teach yourself. So you want to decide ahead of time, how much are you going to save? How much are you going to invest? How much are you going to spend? How much are you going to use to help other people? Because at the end of the day, if you don't plan your money will disappear without a plan. And that brings us to number 3. Number 3, successful people make a plan for how they spend their time. Please pay attention to this one. Your greatest asset is not your money. Your greatest asset is your time. Because you can always make more money, but you can never make more time. Every day you wake up is one day you can never get back again. So what wealthy people do is that they spend time making money and then they use their money to buy back more time. So you want to be intentional with your time. Don't spend hours scrolling endlessly on social media. Nah, if you're not, creating content, if you're not learning, if you're not building something, if you are not doing something productive, please and please just learn to log off social media. All right, use social media, but don't let social media use you. Remember, lost time can never be recovered. Okay, and that brings us to number 4. Successful people make a plan for gaining knowledge. So can I ask you, what is your learning plan? Because your income rarely grows beyond what you know. Learning is the beginning of wealth. Education creates possibilities. So you want to ask yourself, how many books will I read this year? And I'm not talking about comics and all of that, all those fiction books. No. I'm talking about books that challenge the way you think. How many courses will you take this year? What new ideas are you exposing yourself to? Now, by the way, speaking about books, courses, new ideas, we have a school that teaches you how to take your skills that you already have and apply for foreign jobs in the UK, US, Canada, and all of that, and land it. It's called the Profitable Freelancing Academy. And we're hosting a bootcamp this coming weekend called the Dollar Income Bootcamp. Shameless plug. Click on the link anywhere in the comments or in the description, and you'll find that. Okay, that said, let's get to number 5. Successful people make a plan for quality relationships. Relationship is the currency of life, as I always say, and relationship does not happen by accident. Relationships are built intentionally. That's why, for example, you always see Dangote at Otedola's public functions. You also see Otedola Dangote's public functions. You see Obi Kubanat's e-money's functions and vice versa. Those things are intentional. See, successful people understand that relationships are assets, not just for themselves, but even for their future generation. Let me give you a wild example. Let's say Dangote's cousin is applying for a job at UBA, Tony Elumelu's bank. It's almost certain that they will have opportunities that the average person will not have. Not necessarily because of his qualifications, but because relationships open doors. So please and please be intentional about the people around you. Build relationships with people that help inspire you. Okay, people that challenge you, people who help you to grow. Because eventually, you begin to think like the people that you spend most of your time with. So please and please make a plan for your relationships. That brings us to number 6. Successful people make a plan for developing new skills. So please ask yourself, what skill will take me to the next level? And then what is my plan for learning it? Now, for me, I should sell my trainings a lot by posting WhatsApp captions, posting on my WhatsApp status, posting on Facebook, and it worked out. But then I knew I needed to get to another level. I needed to start making more money. I needed leverage. So in 2020, I rang my friend Ibe Muiwa, and he taught me how to build landing pages 6 years ago. That single skill changed my business. So for you today, it could be learning how to use AI, learning public speaking, learning sales, learning video editing, learning about venture capital if you're trying to raise funding and all of that. Whatever your industry requires, please go and learn it. Because at the end of the day, every new skill increases your value. And the more valuable you become, the more money people are willing to pay you. That brings us to number 7. Successful people intentionally learn how to enjoy life. Yep. So there's a line from Adekunle's song, Adekunle Gold. It says, money don't bring happiness, now I get them and realize. So money doesn't bring happiness, now I get them and realize, right? And there's wisdom in that. Money in itself, by itself, does not create happiness. But what you can do with money can create happiness. Again, at the same time, please, caveats. You must learn to be happy regardless of your current financial situation. Because if your happiness only depends entirely on money, you constantly feel empty whenever you don't have money. One of my mentors, Aki Alabi, once said something, and I really like it. Here's how he put it. He said you should live your life in such a way that if you don't have money tomorrow, it will not be that obvious. And there's a lot of wisdom in that. Okay, now, having said that, you must also learn how to carry yourself well. You must learn how to behave in public. You must learn how to carry. See, money does not automatically teach class. So you have to intentionally learn etiquette. You have to learn how to carry yourself. You have to learn how to speak. You have to learn how to behave in different environments. You have to keep learning. Because success at the end of the day is not just about making money. It's about becoming the kind of person who can carry yourself well, who can embody success well. So these 7 points, I believe, are what I'll call principles for living a successful life. Now, none of them are complicated, but if you consistently practice them over the next 5 or 10 years, your life will look completely different from the way it looks now. Okay, so I want to hear from you. Which of these 7 principles do you think you need to work on the most? Let me know in the comments. I'll read as many of them as I can, don't worry. Just leave a comment below. If you found this video valuable as well, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already, and share this video with somebody who needs it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.